Okay, so you want to make a corner, you want to basically cut this side of the stone. You want to bring it in pretty much the depth or thickness of the stone. So just this much, basically right there. And you want to cut all the way to this point, this line. You don't want to go past it. Once you get to this line, you're going to want to take the stone and kind of angle it up into the blade so it doesn't go past but still cuts behind. And once you do that, you can pretty much just break that piece of stone off. There's going to be a little triangle of stone still right there. You can either take the saw and cut it this way to grind it off and kind of do that same thing, or kind of bring it side to side a little bit to get that piece out. But then it should look like this, and then it should match up with another piece. And then once you get that, you cut at one point down here, probably I think it's 6 or 8 inches down, and then you do the same thing at this end that you did at this end to basically make a corner. You have the 2 pieces to make the corner. So I just need to cut this out and then it'll be a corner. So just do it on this side and then measure right here, cut that in half, and then they finger together, and that's it.